Welcome to the FreeStyle Edge. In this video we're going to go over some basics on using the FreeStyle Edge sharpening system on a plane blade, a bench chisel, and a shorter bench chisel that I sharpen this one I think at 25 degrees and this one is at 30, so there's two different methods for that. So the first blade I'm going to sharpen is going to be the plane blade. It's wider. I like to start with my widest blade on my stones. So what this blade is going to require is the use of the blade clamp along with the block in one of either the ring or the low profile sharpening jig. So first what we're going to do is we're going to set our angle, and typically I use 30 degrees for most of my stuff, so we'll go ahead and set this to 30 degrees, have it in the 30 degree slot pointed. We're going to use this 35 degree edge. I believe the ring will do the job. This is the setup for using the ring. You can use it in either direction, this way or this way, whichever is best. So putting slight pressure on the top of the angle block, our angle set at 30 degrees, we'll let the magnet grab it. We'll just push down the blade until we bottom out here. So the reason why you have to put pressure here is obviously your blade is heavier than the angle block, and it'll tip. So having the blade being held in place, we can easily set pull up away from the surface. And now you are set up to sharpen that blade at 30 degrees. And then we use this just like any other sharpening jig. Now to freshen up a bench chisel, again I'm sharpening these at 30 degrees, but what I'll do is I'll use the ring, which I'll just go ahead and have in my hand ready to go before I set anything. So again, block is set up 30 degrees using this angle, and I'll bring my blade in, let the magnet grab it, then push the chisel down to where it's bottomed out on my flat surface. Then I can bring my hand around with the ring on it, come up underneath the tool, slightly pinch the ring and the blade together and pull this up and away. And then I can go ahead and start at my 1000. There's a freshened up bench chisel ready to go. Now, in the case of a shorter chisel, this is a Stanley, and if you'd like to sharpen your shorter chisels to, let's say, 25 degrees, we can flip this over using the 25 degree angle, flat on here. Hand pressure on the top of the block. Again, let the magnets grab it, bottom it out. If we try to use the ring, we'll notice we're kind of not hitting on the back side of the blade much in either direction of this. So we've developed the low profile sharpening jig that will reach up under here and allow you to take this chisel and sharpen it at the 25 degree bevel.